guys, we have a Carrier split system here, 6-ton Gemini, straight air conditioner, has electric heat, goes to a little bar. Been down here a few times underneath the overpass. We've kind of built some new hangout areas for the other restaurants. We're going to be switching out one of the fan motors on the far side there. It's not working very well. I'm going to start off by putting a little bit of Croil on there, loosen things up, take the bolt out, and hopefully it'll come right off. You can use your service wrench to take these nuts off so you can take your blade off hopefully pretty easily. Once you have the Croil set in for a while and you got your lock nut off, you can put your wrench here and twist the blade around to get it off. This one actually is free, it's just kind of hard to grab, so I'm going to get the puller and take it off, but it should come off pretty easily. Make sure when you put your puller on there and you lock it down, you don't drive these lock screws into the same hole where you put your lock that locks the blade to the shaft, because it will destroy that area. This particular blade is loose enough where I can actually take the puller and unscrew it by hand. Now we can take the motor free from the grill and put the new motor on. Alright, we take our back panel off the unit. We have our compressor here, called Copeland Scroll. We have our two capacitors. This is the one for our fan motor in question. We're going to change that one out. We'll check this one for the other fan motor just to double check and make sure everything is cool with it. Already took the wires off of here. We have one black wire trailing back into the cabinet. We'll probably butt splice it, tape it up, or use liquid tape. Seal everything up back real nice. Have our motor taken off. It is about 1,000 degrees. Very hot. So we'll transport it with care and go ahead and get the new one on there, put it back into place, and wire things back up. We have a GE commercial motor down here that we changed out. It looks like we're going to a broad ocean motor, which is pretty common these days. 10 microfarad capacitor. That's interesting. So we're going from GE commercial to broad ocean factory replacement parts. But you know what, the GE didn't last that long, so I mean, whatever, I guess. This is our existing capacitor, 10 microfarad, and we're actually still rated 9.1. So the capacitor's not too bad off. It is 9% deficient, which is beyond the tolerance of plus or minus 6%. We would change it out even, if it was 10, I would still change it out since we're changing this motor out. But it would be changed out otherwise, even with a working motor, with this reading here. So go ahead and switch that out, check the other one, make sure it's okay, and get things started again. Alright guys, we got our capacitor wired back up, 10 microfarad, fresh off the boat from China, I'm sure. Everything put back together, kind of keeping everything off of this discharge line so it won't get too hot. And be happy campers. We're going to start her up. Hopefully the machine's running because the bar is still closed. Otherwise I'll just depress the contactor and check and make sure we're all squared away. Here we are, back on and happy. Cooling like there's no tomorrow. Everybody drinking beer will be happy at the bar.